Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Magiclip flip and switch castle from Frozen. So here's the castle. Comes with Princess Anna. One couch that you can flip it over. If you have any other dolls from the Magiclip collection, you can exchange the dress. Now you have Princess Anna with a green dress. Well, let's see how she looks wearing a pink dress. She looks beautiful. Let's give the green dress to Queen Elsa. She looks fantastic in this dress. I think we should make Anna a brand new dress entirely made of Play-Doh. This dress will be white and blue. Just a few more little details. Whoa, Princess Anna, your dress looks beautiful. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Magiclip and Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.